Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a Canva tutorial for authors. It's going to be slightly in-depth, but not extremely in-depth, because I think you will probably, when you start playing around with it, you'll get the gist of it quite quickly. So I don't want to bog you down with too much information just now. It puts you off of using it, because Canva is actually a lot of fun. So I just want to give you a little bit of information so that you don't feel like overwhelmed with all of it. I hope that it's helpful.
I love being creative and trying new things in my journey through life, writing best practices, tips and tricks, sharing updates on my own writing and books with different tutorials sprinkled in between. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. There's music covers and original pieces written and composed by me, handmade jewelry reveals, sewing videos, other crafts, poetry reading, book reviews, and many, many more. Come and join me on this journey, and let's have fun together.
Okay, so my screen recorder is not working, so I have to use my phone to record it. So I'm sorry if the quality is not very good, but I think you should be able to kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to put the link to Canva in the description block below. It's a refer friends link, so I think I get coins or something, and you get coins for it, but I'm not positive. But you know, I think we both get something if you click on the link. So if you wouldn't mind using that if you're going to load Canva and you haven't already got it, that link will be below. When you've clicked the link, you need to then, I use Google Chrome because I just find it to be the best browser. Yours will be logged, like you won't be logged in like I'm logged in. You'll have to first create an account, which is very easy. You just create an account, and it's a free account. Okay, when you have created your account, you can then choose what you want to do. As an author, you can do book covers, social media posts, social media covers, a logo, videos, thumbnails, and there's so many things. You can see here they give you like a preferred list, but that's just if you haven't got, I'm not even sure, because they've changed it so many times, and I've been on Canva for many years, so I'm not sure if you'll get this here, but you can look. You see, like, this is Instagram post, your story, Instagram story, YouTube thumbnail, your YouTube channel art, A4 document, book cover, infographic, Facebook post, Facebook cover, your logo, flyers, so you can see. I'm not going to go through everything because there is a lot. LinkedIn, you can even get your LinkedIn banner here. Phone wallpaper. Over here, if you go to templates, you'll see all of the different options as well. But if you can't find something, then you can just search for it over here, and then Canva will find it for you. Alright, so as you can see, I'm on the free option, but you do get the pro option, which, if you can afford it, would be the better option to go, because you get so much more value out of it. Let me just see if they've got their pricing here. Yeah, are the prices. There's pro and then there's enterprise. This is $119.99 for the year. It's $12.99 per month. If I could do it, when I can do it, I will definitely be doing it, because you just get so much access to, you get access to everything then, and you don't have to specifically pay for things, because you'll see now when you go in, there's certain things you have to pay for. So it's better if you've got the pro, because then you don't have to pay separately for things, which is awesome. And then you can also have access to all of the fonts, all of the pictures, and the things that you want to add onto your thing that you're making. Okay, with the free option, you can make 2 different folders. That's your maximum that you can do. If you want Pro, you can make as many as you want to, which obviously would be awesome, because then you can separate everything and you'll find it better. Over here is where you would be able to find your projects. Also, you can say over here by your projects. And then you can go to folders, designs, images, or videos. My very first book that my poetry book, I made the cover on Canva. If you are someone that doesn't want to pay to have someone do a cover for you, although that is the better option, but if you can't afford it and you want to make your own, then Canva is probably one of the best options for you, because they give you templates. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a book cover. So we click on book cover, and you'll see it opens in a new screen. Now all of your options are over here, all different types that you can do. Now you'll see that some of these will have nothing there. That usually means they're free, but sometimes there's just a glitch and it's not showing you. But then you'll see sometimes this, which is the Pro, which means you can't use this unless you have Pro. At one stage you were able to buy certain images and stuff. I'm not too sure, I haven't seen that option again since they went all out into Pro. So I'm not too sure if they still let you buy the separate items, but you can always just look into that. But I mean, there are a lot of options, even a notebook. And you don't have to, this is just like your guideline. So you can look at this and then you can go and you can change it. So you can get pictures from Pixabay or wherever. Like, it needs to either be free pictures if you're going to use it, or pictures that you've paid for. So you can't just use anything you want, because then you'll get copyrighted. So make sure that you use either free pictures or ones that you've paid for. If you use the pictures that are on Canva, then that will also be fine. So let's see, this one. I want to make it just a little bit bigger, but not too much. Not too much. Down a bit. Okay. Alright, so now what I can do is I can change everything. So I can say that I want that to be Ondeane Lourens. Sometimes it's difficult to get to fonts that they've put underneath another font, so you just have to move it down a bit. Okay, so either I can use that if I want to, or I can delete it. Now I just need to move this back up again. And you'll see it like tells you if you're in line and if where you're supposed to be. So I can change that to something else, saying I'm making up something. Wait, let's try something. And your little excerpt. So I just said when spring brings new beginnings. And now this picture, it seems to be an actual picture, the whole thing. So you can either delete it if you want to, and you can put another picture in, or you can leave it as is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, so if you want to upload, you go to upload, and you can upload your pictures over here, or your videos or your audio. If you go to elements, You've got all different options here that you can go into. Or if you can't find what you're looking for, you can search. So I'm going to say flowers. Oops, it's capitals. Oh, that's nice. That doesn't suit it. That's just a very quick way of doing it. Sorry, you can see that you're out of focus there. That's just like I say, it's a quick way of doing things. You can even change the background. They give you options to change the background. And there's a whole lot of different options. If you get a template and you haven't checked and you get the template, it will warn you that you can't have it. Okay, so sometimes, like I say, you'll get something and it will have watermarks on it, so it will have like crisscross lines across it. Then you know that it's actually a paid one. Yeah, you won't just use something and they won't automatically take money from you. It doesn't work that way. Admittedly, there are less and less items that are on the free list now, and some of the very nice ones, like look how stunning that is, it's on Pro. Check the eucalyptus. Oh, those are free though. There are so many beautiful things you can do here. Like if I get started on Canva, hey, I get lost in Canva. Trying to, because I mean there's just so much you can do, and it's just beautiful. Like there's so many beautiful things that you can create. Obviously with the book covers you can only do an ebook cover because it's only the front cover. They don't have the option for you to do the spine and the back cover, so you can't do a wraparound. You can only do your front cover. Text, if you want to add something different, these are the texts that you can use. Some of them are Pro. And then if you want to change fonts, all those options are up here. So you can change a font over here. And you'll see some of the fonts are only for Pros. Okay, then you can change the font size, the color, which comes up here, and they actually show you the photo colors, so they show you what's in here. And then you can either bold and italic, but some fonts don't allow you to do that. Then you can center, make a list, spacing. So it's either your letter spacing or your line spacing, or you can do an anchor text box. Effects are these ones, so it's like lift or neon or background or echo or the glitch one, or you know, like curved or anything. And then there's underline, that's where you've got uppercase and lowercase, where you can animate. The position is so that if you need to move something behind the, like say now you need to move the pictures behind the writing, so that's what you do with position. Transparency, your copy style, any links that you want to add, yeah, your lock and your duplicate, and then you can also delete it. You see, as an author, we have a lot that we need to do ourselves, especially if you're an indie author. And Canva can be so helpful because, like, I also work with Photoshop for a lot of things. But if I need to do stuff quickly and I don't want to have to do it from scratch, then Canva is the best place for me to do it. Like social media marketing, a lot of that stuff's just easy to do it on Canva. And because they keep your stuff, you can just keep going, copying the things and doing it over and over again. if you've got a certain way of doing your social media posts, if you've got like your branding and you keep with your branding. Now I've got my cover and I want to download it. Oh, you can also name it over here, by the way. So say now you've got different books, you can say Love in Spring book cover. Okay, and now when you want to download it, you say share, and down here by download, so you can say PDF, which they suggest. You can do PNGs, JPEGs, yeah, whichever, but they suggest PDF, and I say download. And if you want to have it in more than one format, then you can just say download again, and you can choose, say, PNG because it's got writing on it, so PNG is better. And then you can just say download again, and then it automatically saves it for you, which you'll see over here. You can resize, but only if you're on Pro, which is also a nice nifty little thing to have if you can do it. But otherwise you just close the screen. It will tell you if it hasn't saved it. Okay, so this is the PNG. You can see it's actually such a nice cover. So plain, but it's so nice anyway. And then the PDF. So obviously the PDF is at big size, but you can always just make it smaller if you want to see it in one shot. There you go, and that's it. Okay, so that was the video. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, then please just comment below, or if you want to, you can mail me at my email address, which is in the description block below. If you enjoyed the video, if you can please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the little subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, which I really do appreciate. And also I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers this year. At least 1,000 subscribers. I don't mind if it's more. So you will be helping me with that goal, which I really appreciate. All of my social media is in the description block below. Including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And also if you go to www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, you'll also find more content from me, and it's also the best place for you to support what I do on this channel, and then also what I do on my blog, because I don't currently get paid for either. If you would like me to do an extremely in-depth video on Canva, then just let me know below. I'll see how many people ask for it, and then I will do one. I just, like I said in the beginning of the video, I don't want to scare you away from Canva, so I didn't want to bog you down with information, but I try to give you like the gist of it. But if you need more information, you can either just ask me, or if you would like me to do another video, you can say that too. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling. I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on, your sparkle strong, and enjoy your moments. Goodbye.